Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShareASale Marketplace, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with ShareASale, first, visit the ShareASale website. Look for the affiliate sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. Fill out the requested information including your name, email address, and password. Next, provide details about your website or marketing channels. Be specific about how you plan to promote the products. Read through the ShareASale terms and conditions thoroughly. Once you understand the terms, check the box to indicate your agreement. Then, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, log back into your ShareASale account. Complete your profile by adding payment details and tax information. Explore the available merchants in the marketplace. Find products that align with your niche and interests. When you find a merchant you like, apply to join their program. Wait for the merchant's approval to start promoting their products. Once approved, access the affiliate links and marketing materials. Use these resources to begin promoting products on your channels. Monitor your performance through the ShareASale dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on the analytics provided. Continue to explore and apply for additional merchant programs as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.